$50,000 body kit, another $150,000, that says 3. That's $450,000 of body kits just arriving. One is for a Purosangue, and the other 2 are for Cullinan Series 2. Obviously, this is like number 11 or 12 of the Purosangue, and we're gonna go over it, make sure there's nothing missing, because if there is, then we have to contact them so we can get it underway, because chances are we're gonna finish the car before they get something, you know. The hood's right there, as you can see. And then all the million other little parts. So pretty cool. They always send it in these big boxes, which is good but bad because we have to tear them apart after because we have nowhere to put them. We have 2 more of these literally getting unloaded right now. You guys want to be the first Cullinan Series 2 version 2 Venom wide body kit? We have it in stock right here. We actually have 2 of them. They're both missing the diffuser right now, which are actually shipped on the way, but we have the rest of the kit right here. As you can see, fully made out of carbon. We are able to paint this to your Cullinan color. As you can see, we have the front lip right here. Really aggressive front lip. It goes on your original front bumper, so we don't even have to paint your front bumper. It paints also your stock rear bumper as well. We do change the hood because look at that hood. That is a way more aggressive hood. As you can see, it has the humps on it. Really, really nice. If you guys know the Venom kit for the Cullinan, just like their Dawn Wraith, they have these fenders that come out flat on the quarter and the fenders. For the Cullinan, we told them we don't necessarily like that. It's a little bit extreme for it, and we want regular wide body flares. So we're the first in the world, even Venom themselves that haven't done it, first in the world to have regular flares on this kit. So you see it has the wheel arch kit right there. That's the front. Really, really clean design. Can't say anything wrong about that. You have the rocker moldings over there as well. So really nice design over there. Makes it look thicker. The rear flares that go on the quarter panels. We have a roof spoiler that actually goes over the existing roof spoiler. And we have a trunk wing 2-piece, and of course the diffuser, like I said, is missing. So Venom has the most variety than any other body kit brand we've seen, which is crazy. So props to them on that. It's very, very difficult to develop a new kit, put it to production, and have it go out across the world. Cullinan Series 2 guys, or Cullinan Series 1, we could update your car to Series 2 facelift and do a body kit at the same time, so you could have a completely refreshed, crazy Cullinan. Contact us, info@rdbla.com, or DM us, RDBLA, or give us a call.
Okay, well first, Carlos needs to finish his car, right? Because we can't move it. Javi is going to watch him until he does that, because he doesn't know what else to do right now. And then we get to move the car, and then we can finally do work. We're back here in Javi's bay, the mechanic bay. Javi, break it or make it Salazar. I believe it is. Brand new Range Rover SV here. This car came in for a full service oil change. Also brake light is on, so we need to change the brakes, top all the fluids, make sure everything is good, coolant, everything ready to go, tires reset, and should be ready to go home pretty soon. Maybe not today, but hopefully soon. That's it, right Javi?
Whatever you say.
Yeah.
You miss motors?
Oh yeah, a lot.
Urus SE brand new Verde turbine in matte. This is a crazy color. As you can see, it's like a matte army green. This is gonna get the full 1016 wide body package. It's gonna get a carbon hood, the wide body flares, carbon here, carbon everywhere. And we are paint matching right now the flares. We actually got the kit literally yesterday, and we already have the kit painted. Only place in the world probably that does it that fast. And paint match, very difficult, but we got it. It's gonna get crazy wheels, which are over there. Green, orange. So that's gonna be a very, very unique build. One of one, of course. We also have a red Urus SE right there. And where else could you point out these things while I'm talking about the build? Crazy. This is number 8 Urus SE wide body. So it's wild. And honestly, it has some orange interior, it has orange brakes, so we're gonna be doing the orange accents. Lamborghini emblem in the back will be orange. We're gonna be smoking out the rear tail lights too. So pretty cool build. We haven't done this color on a wide body with paint yet, so it's gonna be a really, really cool look. So hope you guys will like it when we're done. Hi.
Where are you going, Don?
Vito. Look at this.
Custom lights.
This is your new tail lights. Pretty crazy. So cutting up the whole back end of the car right now. Have some of the parts on there, test fitting, so a lot more to go. We have to figure out how to mount these. These are actually the side steps now. And look at it, it has a built-in exhaust tip and forged carbon. So pretty crazy. You gotta figure out how to put that on so it doesn't fall off because they're very heavy. We already put the Venuum exhaust on there too. Yes, it has an exhaust system. I know you're used to the Brabuses, which we still love and do, but Venuum has been doing some badass stuff, and the Purosangue, as you guys know. Now the G-Wagons. We have Cullinan kits also in stock for them, so a lot of work. But we'll be painting this whole car in the matte Designo black color. We have RDB wheels for it, and it's gonna be a sick project. We have to let it. I think it's when it warms up, it does like the backfire thing. Also, this car only has 40 miles. All the big projects are pretty much brand new cars, but the other problem we're gonna have is errors. This car, we are changing things on the headlights, the turn signals, the whole back lighting system is completely different. So all the things have to be wired correctly. We're gonna have errors on the dash, and we're gonna try to eliminate all that, have no errors. That's gonna be the trickiest part of this build, because I hate errors since day one. Every build we do, I try never to have any errors on there. So this is gonna be one of the trickier ones to figure out, but very excited about this project because we've been doing a lot of Purosangues. It's been repetitive. There's another one getting done right now, but this is gonna be a truly different G-Wagon when we're done.
You guys remember this Ram TRX from last week? We have the fender taken off to reveal some hidden damage here. Bracket, headlight, of course, has some damage. The wheel also did have a little bit of damage on that side as well. So the insurance did come out. They took a look at the parts and the damages already. They are doing their supplement, and they're gonna send it over to us. And then we can finally order the parts and begin repairs on this beautiful truck. So that's where we are right now, and we'll let you guys know after we have the parts in and they're painted and hopefully assembling by the next time.
Careful, por favor. Carefully.
Speak Spanish. Car looks with no bumper on. Look at the headlight. Looks like I don't know what it looks like. Very funky car. But another Venuum Purosangue getting finished right here. The hell is the hinge off?
I have to do something. The hinges.
This is
Regular-
one of the
regular.
2 hinges for the hood.
Yeah, this one.
Very heavy duty.
This is normal, but if I put a new hood like this,
Yes.
the hood's gonna be.
The hood is
I-
massive. It's part of the fenders and all that, and the alignment is not good unless you do some adjusting. See, the paintwork's done. The body kit is done. We're gonna be putting it all together. So this one is gonna be a black, red interior, which we've done before, and it's gonna have really different wheels this time. So the wheels are not here. They're gonna be here any day. The wheels are gonna be very different. I think this is gonna just look really, really cool compared to some of the others, because the wheels, all of them so far have been pretty similar. Stay tuned on this. After this, we have another red one that we have to build, and then many more to go.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
You had many more.
We